Hey everyone, want to change your Facebook password to keep your account secure? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook password step by step in a quick and simple way. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com in your browser. Log into your account. Now tap the menu icon. Select Setting and Privacy, then tap Settings. Step 2. Go to Password and Security. Next, tap on Account Center, then select Password and Security. Here tap on Change Password. Step 3. Enter your current and new password. Now enter your current Facebook password. After that, type your new password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 4. Save the new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Then tap Change Password or Save Changes. Your Facebook password will be uploaded successfully. What if you forgot your password? If you don't remember your current password, tap Forgot Password. Facebook will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code and create a new password. Important security tips. Always use a strong and unique password. Never share your password with anyone for extra security. Turn on two-factor authentication. And that's it. This is how you can easily change your Facebook password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more helpful tech tutorials.